If you are wondering if Xiaomi 17T can overheat, then the answer is unfortunately yes. It is possible that you may experience heating issues. Now, for example, in my case, I just performed benchmark, and the benchmark monitor has shown me the change in the temperature. And of course, this is a benchmark, so it's very demanding for the phone, so it's natural that it's going to increase the temperature of the device. However, reaching almost 50 degrees, or at least this is what the app tells me, but reaching almost 50 degrees Celsius is very worrying. It's a very, very high temperature, and honestly, I can feel it even if I pick up my phone right now. I can definitely feel the warmth. Maybe that's not even a warmth, this is like definitely more than that. But I can feel how hot the phone feels like right now, and of course, you might be able to reach a similar temperature if you just performed something that is a little bit demanding to the phone, like for example if you use the camera for a longer time, maybe if you watch videos for a longer time, or if you play games, then you might be able to reach those temperatures. Maybe not exactly 49 degrees Celsius, but even like reaching 45 or something is definitely an indicator that there is something wrong with the heating on this phone. So unfortunately, I think it's safe to say that you might experience heating issues on Xiaomi 17T. Now, of course, this can be improved throughout all these updates that we are going to receive over the next couple of years throughout the support, but still, I would say that, unfortunately, Xiaomi 17T may overheat. Leave a like and subscribe.